Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Bahirata. Bahi means external. Alpha means internal. So, those who do not know that the ultimate goal of happiness is Vishnu, they think that by adjustment of this external world, because we have got external and internal. Externally, we have this body. Internally, we have soul. Everyone can understand that I am not this body, I am soul. I am covered by this body, and as soon as I go away from this body, the body has no meaning. It may be a very important soul's body, a great scientist's body, but the body is not the scientist. The soul is the scientist. The body is instrumental. Just like I want to catch something, so the hand is my instrument. Therefore, in Sanskrit word, these different parts of the body, limbs, they are called koron. Koron means acting. By which we act. Koron. So, nati vidu sarthakatim hi Vishnu. We are now illusion under the concept of this body. That is also described in the Srimad Bhagavatam. Jasyaka buddhi kunape siddhatuke. Aka buddhi kunape. Kunape means bag. This is a bag of bones and muscles and skin and blood. Actually, when we dissect this body, what we find? A lump of bone, skin, and nerve, intestines, and blood, pus, nothing else. So, kunape tridhatuke. These things are manufactured by three dhatu elements, kapha, pitta, vayu. Kapha, pitta, bile, and air. These things manufacturing, these things are going on. After eating, these three things are being manufactured. And if they are in adjustment, parallel, then body is healthy. And if there is more or less, then there is disease. Now, according to Āyur-veda, that is also Veda. Ayu means span of life, and Veda means knowledge. That is called Āyur-veda. So, this Vedic knowledge of the span of life is very simple. They don't require pathological laboratory, clinic, no. They require simply to study these three elements, kapha, pitta, vayu. And their science is to feel the pulse. You know, every one of you, that the pulse is moving, tick, 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 like this. So they know the science. By feeling the beating of the pulse, they can understand what is the position of these three elements, kapha, pitta, vayu. And by that position, constellation, in the Āyur-veda, if the symptoms, these veins are moving like this, heart is moving like this, beating like this, then the position is this. As soon as they understand the position is this, they verify the symptoms. They inquire from the patient, do you feel like this, do you feel like this? If he says yes, then it is confirmed. The inner things, how the pulse is beating and the symptoms are confirmed, then the medicine is ready. Immediately take the medicine. Very simple. And formally, every Brahmin used to learn these two sciences, Āyur-veda and Jyotir-veda. Jyotir-veda means astronomy, astrology, not astronomy. Because any other, the less intelligent than Brahmin, the Kshatriyas, the Vaishyas, the Shudras, they would meet the Brahmins for health and future. Everyone is very inquisitive to learn what is future, what is going to happen next. And everyone is concerned with the health. So Brahmins, they would simply advise about health and the future. So that is their profession. People will give them eatables, cloth, so they have nothing to do for working outside. Anyway, this is a long story. So, this body is a bag of the three elements. Jashanto buddhi gunope dhatu.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.